Good afternoon. For the farthest see me, this is Chris Robinson, Managing Director of Commodities at TJM Brokerage. Well, I just wanted to touch base. Today was a big day for the ags, the 12th of September today. We had our USDA report, and this is the first report out of the last three where we didn't cascade lower. Pretty good recovery in soybeans, which started actually last night before the report. And even though we had kind of negative fundamental news with larger crop, larger yield, etc., corn also rallied kind of in sympathy with soybeans. So a bounce across the board in the grains after what arguably was kind of a not that really big of a USDA report. And the interesting thing is the fact that corn rallied after bearish information. Just one of those things where sometimes you'll get a bearish report and there's just nobody left to sell. We've just been coming off of a $1.20 sell-off in corn, which started at the June highs, and actually, we were there this week at a new contract low. So a $1.20 sale. Now, how far has corn bounced? A little over a dime. We were at 52. We're trading around 64, 65 now, so call it a 15-cent bounce. There's still a lot more upside that needs to go. But the interesting market to look at is soybeans. Soybeans had just under a $1 sell-off between the June highs and its contract lows. The recovery today, almost exactly halfway back. $8.99, $9 is halfway back. We got to about $8.96. So once we started with a little bit of a bullish number, and also with the rumor that there may be some a reprieve moving forward with the China-U.S. Trade war as far as it goes with commodities. There was a story out that China possibly bought 600,000 metric tons of U.S. soybeans. Now that sounds like a lot. It's 22.5 million bushels. A year and a half ago, we used to ship over 2 billion bushels of soybeans to Russia, to China. So it's a start. It's kind of symbolic, but it could mean that we're going to get back to normal and get some better export business towards China. So the soybeans saw that, and in the last 4 days, we've rallied 46 cents. We were down at $8.50. We're close to $9 now, and I'm going to leave you with that. That's how quick these markets can change. That's how quick emotion can change the market. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, things were looking very, very despondent for U.S. grain growers. Now, is the low end? Are we done with selling off? All we can say is hopefully, but again, it's a good rally back. Certainly is an opportunity if you're a U.S. producer, if you're a soybean grower, and you've been chewing your nails off as we were sitting out around that 850 level. You just had almost a 50-cent rally in 4 days. So don't be afraid to reward the rally with some sales. 50 cents on one contract on 5,000 bushels, you're talking $2,500. So multiply that, it's 5,000 bushels. If you're growing 50,000 bushels, you just had a nice payday over the last 4 days. Don't be afraid to reward the market. Now, if you're concerned that the market's going to explode higher and we're going back to $10 beans, $11 beans, and then what you do is if you make that sale, you re-own it. Now, you've just made 50 cents on the cash market. So if you want to re-own it, you don't turn around and spend 50 cents on a call, but maybe you spend 10, 12 cents, 15 cents on a call. And that way you're rewarding the market by selling cash grain, but you're also staying in the market. So for the next 3, 4, 5 months, for that 10 or 15 cents, if soybeans keep going, you're still getting paid even though you've already sold those bushels. So that's what I wanted to cover today. If you're looking for help with your trading, hedging, speculating, look me up, Chris Robinson. Have a great day.